Is this love? Is this lust?
We are here with a video, so you know it's
of another American
person
an American lady.
See, I never understand the full in total of the story, but this just
Waiting back. He just the finger. Sorry, they press. Let me say they do am. So in that video,
apparently, this is a video of Davido. Certainly, you allegedly, this is a video of Davido, and with the look of things, that video don't old, not be current video with that. Davido, when you see it there now, now old Davido. If you want to say na even Davido self, because they don't say na AI, na do the
I don't understand.
You get na AI. You know, say artificial intelligence now can.
It's possible. It's possible.
It's AI. NSAS shooting and not be AI. They say they use.
Possible say na AI. Yeah, when release and don't come and talk now. So why is this the AI?
So no, what I'm trying to say now is say
AI too.
Everybody fit be AI these days. You get me? So apparently that's an old video where you see Davido Nida they beg for Balanya. You get me? Because Ponyons, yes, or Ponyons, you get me? So the girl himself though come outside, right? What did the girl talk? You said the girl talk.
She talk say she and Davido say Davido na him own boy. Say they've been friends for like 4 to 5 years. And she don't know her for 4 to 5 years. Say okay, they do what they do.
Na homeboy na again.
He say na his own boy. You know, like my own boy.
My G.
My G. Say they don't be friends for more than 4 to 5 years. Say he no even know say Davido get baby mama. Say
get wife.
Say she dey shock. Say make Nigeria take a chill pill, make them calm down. Say why all of them they come at her because I paid off again. You know you trust Nigerians now. They don't go and pay. Some people they tell her and say make she go apologize to Davido's wife for bringing her such a video.
Oh, wait concern people. Wait concern now. Say make you go apologize to Davido. I take concern you. I see that chat. I'm like go and apologize. I take concern you.
That's over Sabi Nigeria, but then again,
rubbish. Go apologize to Davido's wife. You.
They do. What was her intention in releasing that video?
She said she was drunk.
Then you went through your gallery. Maybe an iPhone should they use? Check over probably 30,000 picture. No, do listen now. Check over 30,000 picture. That video don't take. I want to assume because of the recent video. Let's just assume we don't know the timestamp.
Israel say don't take.
Israel confirm and say don't. That means he confirms that he bust.
Yes, but he say don't take.
Not be allegedly again. Not be AI again. That cancels it. So you went through probably maybe like 4 years ago, and you know iPhone. They keep your picture, picture.
For Snapchat, they
so
keep
memories. So you went, or maybe Snapchat show you say memory of 4 years ago.
Bring her back.
Let me just me. So since then, you don't know say you get baby mama. Then you release a video. You never release video. Yeah, when they play because later release picture where they hug. For the picture for mirror. Then you release a video where a man was begging you for sex.
The thing is, if she mistakenly.
No,
hold on. If she mistakenly post that first one where then hug, where I first see, it's understandable. Anybody feel make that kind of mistake. But the one will not be mistake.
Now the video
where you release, and you not gonna know which video. And you not gonna know which video to release. You can't go to release the video where they go take insult the guy back. No.
Okay.
At every point in time, every man don't beg for. Let me just enter inside. Every man don't beg. So what is there? Yes.
So more not sound like hypocrite.
Me I don't beg for kuntus.
See, hello. Forget all these bulls and raise children on the road. Even till now says some men they beg their wife.
My brother, right now, one man get somewhere they beg one girl. I can just enter and no go move.
Married men, they will do more begging. For Chichoyo, they are even young boys.
Yes. My brother, you go make heaven.
So more not even come from that and go say, oh, this grape. Yeah, because if you take forget the artist Davido. Davido is a human being.
He's a human being.
He's an average human being. Forget the whole attaching. Oh, so you expect me to just open your leg.
Open your leg. No.
If you want beg.
Baba, leave him.
No, now that begging.
There's no shame in the begging.
No, they said the begging was too extreme.
Becca.
So a guy like David with the money where he gets,
is Davido not a human
that he has,
not a human being.
Access to
not be human. Now that thing what the talk
beg.
I beg you.
You didn't there when they beg.
Baba, everybody did beg.
Everybody did beg.
Are you there when they were begging?
When it comes to the affairs of the room, there is no limit to what you can do when you are in desire,
Baba,
need
Baba,
of it.
Baba, more about this thing where the people they talk. As long as say you be man, all of us don't beg for kuntus. At that point, my brother, you not get what you go promise
also,
life.
So let me also.
I will, man, just enter. Yes. I no go move. Okay, make I just enter. Make it just wet. Make I just. My brother, Davido not do any bad thing. Why not just say, David, my brother?
Understand, David. I beg you. We need to also understand. R&B na R&B, Nedu na Nedu, Becca na Becca, Davido na Davido, and every other human being, every other human being. My approach to certain things cannot be the same with yours.
Simple.
Davido on in begging style, na in begging style. Now who he be that? Me na I get where I take beg.
I take beg.
And now you talk your own, I go talk my own.
See, I dey listen.
Okay. Why you get so much interest?
Before.
See, I dey beg with pride like me. I get doing this now. You know what I feel?
No.
No. So no, my own
begging.
They come with style.
Begging myself, I no go greet self now.
Sir? No, hold on. No, that's small.
Beg me well.
Now, hold on now. You can't hear anything you want.
I will give to you.
I will do it. Just name it. Sometimes when I make a hear say sometimes once I happy come office in the morning, now like 100K don't go. They don't charge me because see that is even my wife. I'm telling you, my
even
wife.
Your wife they charge you.
Yeah. Oh, when you marry, don't you spend more.
You know, say you go pay. Now married men,
married men they sex starved
more than single guys. Yes, married men they sex starved.
You know, your wife not go pull for you 2 months.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Better, see, I saw that thing on this thing on social media. People they attack the person talk. I say, you know, Nigerians are very.
We are far from reality.
Far from reality.
No, let's just say we are hypocrites. We know it is.
Our hypocrisy now the highest. Married men where they with wife for house. Now then they mostly sex starved. You know what I mean? Married man feed their house 1 month, 2 months. Yeah, wife never give them kuntus, and they not born away to go outside.
Wow.
You understand?
You want to come first and say because you married.
You
come and do.
You go talk to rape. You go beg.
Have you changed your wardrobe for a while now?
I just dropped to that 2 million.
Wait, now you don't talk your own. If
I want enter, I do tempole. You know, you bring me do tempole. You got the point now. Then I won't come plug my socket. You tell me no. I could say. Now.
You don't go speak those breeding.
No. I don't do that. I go there. You tell me say I know. I'm me. I'm not. Now maybe the last human being we go beg you more than once. After I don't beg you once,
you know, agree. You
like
tell
this.
me no. You don't close your shop.
So it's an FMT. You see that as a man with pride. As you beg, you can't say no. You can't bone. You can't.
You go bone.
I touch you for back. Oh yeah.
And you know. I swear.
I can't time.
My brother. I want to leave that. So everybody get your style.
So that's Davido style. Now your style. You get me. And when you did that kind of thing, you can use any. You get.
And make I tell you something.
Interesting.
May we stop to deceive ourselves. If it even vex me, say some men even they comment section they bash the video.
Nah, just
it vex me.
We know why get sense for this country.
Because the truth is, at that time, at that point in time, he not get any man will never beg. At that time, you gonna lose your respect, no matter who you be. And no matter the money, you go talk to he goes. Anything. I'll give you the check. I'll give you the money.
Again, as much as first of all, more established, and one just assume that video was way before he was married to Showman, the bet and the rest arrangement. But also, why an intimate moment like that you record?
You record and why? What you record?
That's the highest level of foolishness.
No, Shebi Davido na him send and give her.
No, the video not send and give them. Why the video record themselves? They beg.
No, they get the
Now they get the record them now. Why would you record a thing like that too?
With so you know when you don't, maybe probably you know sometimes you all go club. There was that year, those years. My friend, you go club. You get after spending money, you get potpourri and everything. Then you reach back hotel. No, auntie say no. You never do enough doing his rich.
Come bring mouth, come my
never do enough.
Why they hide?
My guy is down back.
No, Baba, you see that's the thing. Me, the way me at my head brain don't take they wired.
And you know so you don't hide.
Anything where if I want do, it don't come the lead to say it don't they seem as if say it go day transactional and not do again.
Yeah, but if your wife, for your wife, we don't transaction.
No, my dear,
my wife,
everything is transactional.
The transaction I get types.
Everything
get types.
You get different levels.
You get different levels to them. You understand? But everything is transactional.
But we need to establish something.
But not be saying you go tell me say, okay, pay me before. No.
More need to establish something. More understand. That's Davido's person. What you see there, that's human being.
Everybody they beg.
You go shock you get some people now say they lie down for ground the road. Please I beg go.
Yes,
like
yes
that.
Now.
Yes.
Some people say now to the jump.
I get friend.
They laugh.
Oh, hey, my guy.
I don't mention his name, but feel.
He buy phone where he dey beg for kuntus. He buy phone instantly. He transfer money for phone. Where they beg. Now when he don't come down after 2 minutes, he high clear.
I not be saying use happy pill.
You know he's a. Which one be happy pill again?
I need to bat your. You see this Becca? Where your mother is this? You don't know your daughter. Oh. I want to just say
I don't understand.
You don't know the daughter you have.
I don't understand.
Your daughter is disguising for you.
Disguising as what? That's why you bite me bingo.
Everybody where they beg for kuntus get his own begging style.
Yes, everybody.
Me, I get my own begging style. If I beg you once, you not great. That is it. R&B own, it go promise you the whole heaven and earth. Every man for this world don't beg for kuntus.
Davido own a cry.
Davido own maybe na your own style.
Go shock you now. Whiskey
don't style. Whiskey don't feel different.
Man, it's from myself. Once they beg you, or you come up again, I will call someone.
Yes. Some guys, so I call they go. I beg now call another person.
Yes, they go activate.
Yes.
Everybody get your own style.
Everybody get your own style. So it vex me say even men they follow bash the video say why no Baba you said don't beg for kuntus before. Now just say they embarrassing say the person where if they beg embarrass him by making a video of it. Why you they make video of him?
The whole issue when I
married men they beg their wife for kuntus too.
Which is not really a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Which is not a big deal.
I beg most stop to the hypocrite. I beg.
They call it was recorded, and now why we need to be careful with people we spend intimate time with.
My brother.
Some people they feel say before I marry, I did very conscious. You see, if you enter my one room that time, you hold phone too much. When me and you get business, I they look, I not touch you. You only drop that phone. Go charge them. Let me help you charge your phone. Drop them. And I'll make sure say the phone they flat camera.
See me and you. If you be babe. Now you be me now. Me be babe. I can't follow you. They talk. You can't keep your phone like this. No, you can't keep your phone like this.
That's rubbish.
Even if you dey flat, I go believe say they record conversation.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
No.
Yes. Please wear that your glasses.
We need to do very attractive.
For yeah.
You need to do because these days you don't know the intentions of human beings.
Are you making promises?
Nah, that's the thing. I never. Okay. You can never catch me do that. Ever.
Can't you do that?
Once they don't bring that British accent,
you know never. Baba, once I don't tell you once, say, make I do, ma lalo, you tell me say no. You don't finish. Because I believe say you be adults. Because what is it that the mistake where a lot of men they make? Once and we get luck, say we get Africa. Adibi, you there outside the climbs of the yes.
Adibi,
you are in another climb.
In another climb, you beg girl once, she not agree. Then you can't continue to beg. She can't agree. She go take her.
Go report you. Say that without consent.
Say that without her consent. Say you coerce her.
You coerce her. Yes, time in the language. You coerce her. You report to.
You go report.
You explain.
You don't see the one when they complain. Give say you begin the you don't know they don't even report people. It's in a crime now.
Which one?
Love bombing. You know what they call love bombing? If you meet babe now, Immediately after 2 or 3 days, you begin send them text message, oh I miss you, I love you. Begin send them gifts.
They bombard them messages.
They'll report you.
They'll report you saying I love them. It's an arrestable offense.
Wow.
You never see anything.
Even if the person don't pass 18.
Even if you don't pass 18, I love bombing. So why you could bomb me with
you know say
like
without the society
it's an arrestable offense.
Individuality they heavily preach, so you're not supposed to just disturb people. Like
so before we go, you get one of my friend where I've been there ask him because he go Scotland go do masters. So he don't finish the masters, like they work for one big company there. So I called her ask and say since you don't get that reach that place, you never try to date any white girl. He can't talk. So I say he actually run from them. Say he prefers to date black girls than white girls. I can't say waiting happen.
Black girls already date them because you not get.
Yes.
I can't say waiting happen. He say waiting happen. He say one time like that. Say in they go walk. So in there for bus station, it's sit down. Say one woman come meet and say he want introduce his daughter to him. Say the woman come toast am for his daughter. say wait come tell am say okay where is your daughter? Say because na the woman come meet am. He come say the daughter go come meet am in 2 minutes time. So the girl come later come meet am. The girl is 24. So they come start to dey talk and everything. They come start to dey date. So the guy come dey look for apartment at that time because he just moved to another city or state here. So now Airbnb they stay for a while. So the girl come tell am say make you no worry. Say he go help am look for apartment. Yes. The girl can't go look for apartment, but the girl no can fit get that place for him. He can't send one of his friends to make that one go help and look for another apartment. Yes. So the person will carry that your friend come that apartment, a woman. We can they talk for the background and so this is that, this is blah 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 blah. So the girl come ask and say how far with the house. He can't send the video where in friend give. He can't send give him. Say now so the girl just said it's okay, and that was it. Say when I say say you know talk past it's okay. Say but you know even bother himself. Say like 2 days after for like 2 a.m. this girl can't call him. The girl they drunk, but the girl can't call and say you get something we be saying one talk with they for in mind. Say and she dey vex. She can't say waiting happen. He say the guy they cheat on her. Say how dare you cheat on me? Blah blah blah. Second say I say you don't understand what the girl meant by say cheat on me. Say come tell and say you had the effrontery to send me a video where a girl was talking in the background. Second they tell and say I don't understand. Say that wasn't me. That was my friend. I say come tell and say no. Say na in girlfriend. Your other girlfriend follow that your friend go the house. Say you don't even plan for him already. Say he's going to stab him. Say
you not see the one where they then stab. RMB, you not hear this.
I don't hear that one. No.
The girl stabbed the guy. Stabbed the guy. The news. I saw it yesterday. Every day for yesterday. Stabbed the guy because of say he see sexy pictures for inside the guy phone.
You can imagine.
They can't carry the guy go hospital. Only for them to come check the thing proper. Now her when she did slimmer.
Can you imagine?
Now her when she did slimmer.
So she dey beef herself.
Yes.
The guy never die.
Make I finish the story. The girl come talk say she already talk to her friend. Say they say make she stab am. Say na so black guys they do. Say wetin she plan be say her mama na nurse. Say mama don't talk, so they go talk. Say the guy get mental problem.
Jesus.
Say and his brother na policeman. Say that one go defend them. Say and they go make sure say they bury the case. Say because for there, say now women get
yes,
UK. Say nothing. Say now waiting she talk. Now go happen.
Yes.
Say she don't plan. Say she go stab him. He say the sleep where they sleep clear for him eyes. Say he can't tell her say there was one time where she keep one knife close to the bed already for the Airbnb. Say anytime this guy mess up.
He go choke.
He say now so the guy check under that bed, that place. He say he see knife true. Say the guy say okay, and that was it. Say the second day, the girl just pretended like nothing happened. Hi babe, are we still meeting for lunch? He say what? What? What?
If you know the high
the guy
level
say
of
racism, you know white girls, they run from them.
If you see the high
say
level
they know they do
racism,
again.
you still say the one way they do with Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Urobo, Ishan, this and that. What do you call it? I mean, whatsoever. If you know the high level, that UK, they already smile with you, but they don't give a damn about you. You get, and these are the country we run to.
He said the two way shock. Say the girl say he don't tell his mama already about it. He said mama don't plan, and the brother will be police don't plan already too.
One black guy when one white girl stab kid die. Abi yes, and they bury the case. the guy not dey guilty now. I can't remember the name of it.
That Nigerian guy.
Yeah, that Nigerian guy.
Yes, where the guy stabbed, kill him.
Saying that the guy look for how the table put himself.
I don't know how it end.
Like it's crazy.
But God, now you dey.
So that's why you notice a relationship there. You know,
sorry.
if you go there, you know the day on you.
I never ask him. I don't tell him. I cannot count. If any part of the world where I go, I'm on my own. No vex.
So that's why you notice.
Get why.
That's why you notice the
even if you for road, you know, say for UK, not just UK, pretty much everywhere. What do they see, Waka?
They smile, hi.
No, not smile, give me
That's why you notice a lot of people when go there, they hardly find partner.
Yes.
Why to say men when go there go look for wife from here carry go. And once you marry because of the system when they organize, woman go open go divorce. Because their system they enable they enhance things like that.
R&B, Pama, Gilgist. Not be the one we can carry. Now last year this thing happened now. Around May. So last year we go do.
Me not too fast so because
sorry.
They don't the signal to me.
We go do that events. Where me and Austin go for that last time. My brother not be him. The guy can't carry the girl from here. Go. I go no go mention the girl tribe. 2 years now they stay. To cut the long story short, said she, according to her way inside stores which they are friend, said the guy became boring for her. The guy get company or build company and everything. I don't give you that GC man. Get company and everything, and then get 2 children. So to cut the long story short, the guy begin shout, say, call police. Oh, he's killing me! He's killing me! Police go first carry the man come out first of all. Gotta go keep one corner. Come as woman say, the woman say no. See, she dey fear for her life. She no fit stay with this man again. Remove him from my space. Remove. Now the last time the guy stay for the house, they escort him, go inside, carry clothes, come out. To cut the long story short, when the divorce go happen, when the divorce go happen, the man company they divide them into 5.
Whoa!
Because the 2 children go get one part. The wife will get one part. Him go get one part. Yeah, there be 3 children. Because I could just not say they divide them into 5. Then can carry one part of the company, give the man. Carry the remaining 4, give the woman because the children
stay with her.
The man now said the float also the man did for Sheffield now. They want small apartment now. 50-something years old man.
Wow.
Now it make a lot of men not the one carry their
woman.
They don't carry their women because they don't want come here, come marry, carry go.
They don't marry here, they see 2 times or 3 times.
Because once they come marry, carry go here, they will come go, they make friends with other ones. Where their eye go up and the truth be say, Nigeria na patriarchal society. And they look for opportunity. As they don't reach there, she say, see how it be. Now woman there on top of okay. And especially if you come be man, we can't do anyhow since.
So it's not just a gender thing, it's a human being stuff.
It's a human being thing.
If I go a country and I know say if I do like this, and I feel benefit from here, guess what? I will actually do that.
Yes, sir.
Now, like, I go UK. I say, as a woman, okay, so, wow, if I do like this, what comes to me? Guess what? I don't care what I want to destroy. As long as that benefit comes to me, I will destroy her.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.